Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to save any file in Android smartphone internal storage or SD card without having save option. So without further delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly let me show you, suppose one application, say this is one application, right? So here I've only shared this report, right? So if I tap on the share this report, I don't have any save option. Even you can see at the bottom, I can just share this report with other applications like that, right? So in order to save this kind of files which does not have any save options in your respective Android smartphone internal storage or SD card, what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Save to Files, Save Shared File. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it, tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, you can just tap on open, just tap on allow. Now you can see some instructions written here. So what you need to do is, so you don't have to do anything inside this application, you can just minimize it. Let us open the earlier application again, say this application, right? So now what you need to do is just tap on the share this report. Now you will see a tons of application, right? Just swipe to the left and you can see here at the bottom more, just tap on it. Now you can see one application named as Save to Files here, right? Just tap on it. Now it will ask you to choose your respective output folder. So in my case I want to save it in the my Android smartphone's internal storage. You can select the SD card just by tapping here three dot icons. You can select your SD card if you have inserted a SD card on your respective Android smartphone. So in my case I don't have any SD card installed, so I'm gonna select the phone internal storage. So once you've selected the output folder, just click on save. Now the file has been saved to my Android smartphone internal storage. So let's go to the files and let me go to the internal storage, go to downloads. So you can see here the respective file. So you can see here the file is being saved locally in my Android smartphone's internal storage. So by using these applications, you can save any file in Android smartphone internal storage or SD card without having save options very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.